Hi Daniel, how are you?
Hi Carol, some news.
Well, recently I entered a website that was recommended to me and caught my attention. It's from the company Nike, has launched a virtual site to publicize its new React shoes.
That's great, but what's new about this site?
It's that when you enter a page, you can build your own character where you are going to give him your favorite tennis model, and then you can share your result on social networks.
That's great. What you just visited is a website with interactive design.
I had no idea that term is new, isn't it?
Yes, it is new for users who are starting in the world of design. Back interactive design was born with the name of interactive multimedia in 1985 and 1986. At first, it was used as a means of presentation containing image, text, and sometimes sound. Today, this concept has evolved with now that interactive design is involved in different scenarios.
I understand, and its purpose is to capture the attention of the viewer. In my case, it was a new experience of exploring online.
And it also has its respective characteristics. One of them is that the design must have a goal that makes the needs of the client.
Exactly. In addition, the interface that is going to be used must be easy to use to maintain attention, and above all, the waiting time must be reduced so that the user doesn't get bored and provide a better experience.
You are right. No less important feature is that the user easily learns the navigation system on your page. The more didactic, the better.
It's very interesting how the design has evolved over the time. Look, in the 70s, he focused on newspaper designs, and soon after, they would enter television programs.
Then came the famous logos, which became a very good marketing strategy, and all companies began to decide one to have an identity.
And with the appearance of a new software and printers, design began to evolve to become a fundamental piece of marketing for companies.
But the real revolution came with the growth of the internet and the advancement of the new technologies.
They began to add colors, typographies, icons, images, quality, sound, among other things that made the design more diverse than it was.
And that's how we go to what interactive design is. It is a new trend in the field of the site where we want to make the user life a unique experience, transmit emotions that the brand is positioned more easily in his mind and consequently he wants to buy it again.
Interactive design usually has spectacular things like an animated interface and complements that contribute to a better experience.
This type of design has many advantages. For example, on web page, you can get more tracking of what your users are interested in.
Exactly. And another great advantage is a better experience provided through your link to the page. The better the user experience, the better their response or positioning in their mind.
Of course, but most importantly, it provided you with a different citing factor from the competition. Today, there are millions of brands that employ content marketing strategies.
It's true. That's why it's so important to offer our audience an unforgettable interactive experience and get us to completely stand out from the competition to differentiate ourselves from it.
For this reason, many companies are deciding to opt for this new interactive design technique. You can often check that more web pages are going to come out where you can interact in them.
Yes, it's the safest. Very interesting to know about this new trend. Thanks for the information.
You are welcome. Good night.
Good night.